So hello sir, for today's video I will make my video presentation for my compilation of midterms activities. So the first is the activity 1, which is the Amazon S3. So gawin na natin ang S3 private ARN. So let's start. So una sa lahat, pupunta tayo sa Amazon S3 and then magki-create tayo ng bucket dito. And then gagawa tayo ng bucket name, which is the my public or my private bucket version 1. So scroll up lang natin and then i-check natin yan para ma-block lahat ng ating public access dahil nga private ang ating gagamitin. So create bucket na natin yan. And then sa loob ng private bucket natin, mag-upload tayo ng any file dito. Pwedeng txt or basta any file. So gagamit ako ng picture, which is JPEG, pwede rin PNG, like that. And then click upload. So nag-upload success na siya, and then click lang natin, open lang natin yung in-upload nating picture. And then let's try to open it in a new tab, itong using yung URL niya. So enter. So kung nakita natin error kasi naka-block yung mga public access niya na ginawa natin kanina. So let's proceed to SRN public ARN with bucket policy. So gagawin naman natin yung public bucket with policy na. And then go to Amazon S3 again, and then mag-create ulit tayo ng bucket, which is gagawin naman natin is public, my public bucket version 2. So i-uncheck natin yan para hindi ma-block yung mga public access natin, nang sa ganon kahit sino makaka-access nun. And then let's create. So I acknowledge and then create bucket. And then dito sa public, gagawin natin siya ng policy, no? And then go to public bucket, and then go to properties. No, sa permission pala. And then bucket policy, edit natin yan. And then policy generator. And then dito pipili lang natin yung S3 bucket policy. And then type lang natin to. And then dito sa actions, piliin lang natin yung get object. Yan. And then i-copy lang natin tong ARN natin dito, ARN bucket. And then paste lang natin dyan, and then type lang natin to, and then add statement and generate policy. And then copy lang natin tong ginawa na, may sarili na tayong policy. Then close, and then paste here, and then save changes. So yan, successfully edited bucket policy. So nakagawa na tayo ng ating policy. Then punta naman tayo sa mag-upload naman tayo ng files na gagamitin natin para makita natin kung ma-access or makikita ba natin. So UAP din, or so umbrella rack. Yan, PNG siya, and then upload. And open natin yung in-upload natin. So yan, copy natin yung URL nya, and then open natin sa new tab, and then so yan, kung nakita natin gamit yung URL because naka-public siya. So, yun. So, let's go to S3 website now. So, gagawa naman tayo ng website using Amazon S3. So, go to bucket and then mag-create tayo ulit ng panibagong bucket. So, my website bucket. My website bucket. So, gusto ko din yan gusto kong i-public and then create bucket. My website Joven. So, open natin lang yung my website Joven and then lalagyan na rin natin siya ng policy. Like lang yung ginawa natin kanina, no? Yan, select natin yung object, which get object. Same process din lang yung kanina. And then, copyahin lang natin yung ARN nito. Lagyan lang natin dyan. Then, add statement, generate policy, copy lang natin yan. And then, lagay natin dyan. And then, save changes. So, ngayon, dito, mag-upload tayo ng file dito. Pero, ang gagamitin natin is the index.html. So, dito, magko-code tayo gamit ang VS Code. And then, kung yung nakikita na, inanda ko na yung codes ko. Tapos, gagamit tayo ng picture. Pero, this time, yung picture na gagamitin is naka-code. And then, let's save. And then, kung nakikita natin dito ko sinave yung codes ko. And then, the dinalonan and the index. Yan. So, upload natin. Add file. And then, go to Acer. And then, here, open. And then, upload. And then succeed. And then let's open it. Then copy natin yan. And then open natin sa new tab and then enter. And then that's it. For my website. So let's proceed to S3 versioning. So ito yung pagkakaalam ko sa versioning, no. So mga bucket natin, bawat bucket natin is pwede natin lagyan ng versioning. And here, the bucket versioning, enable lang natin yan, save changes. And for another, edit, cancel. Bucket versioning, enable, changes, and the last one is the website permission and edit and enable and save. And let's proceed for the replication na tinatawag, no. So dito gagawa tayo ng 2 buckets, which is the replication version 1 and the replication version 2. So, my replication version 1 Joven. So, ano na tayong ano dito, enable lang natin yan, and then create bucket. And then gawa pa tayo ng isa. Copy lang natin yung ano na ito para hindi na tayo mag-type ng napakarami pa. And create lang natin yan, and then paste, and then version 2, and then enable, and then create back. Ito replication, my replication Joven version 2. So yan, need natin ay dito need natin mag-upload ng at least 3 pictures or 2, sabihin na natin na file dito. And then later on, i-explain ko kung paano gumagana yung replication na tinatawag. So, 1, 2, yan. Open, and then upload. And then wait lang natin itong na-upload na, upload succeed. And then go back to replication number 1, and then go to management, and then mag-create tayo ng replication rule dito, and then a replicate rule name kahit sabi na natin my replicate rule. And then enable lang natin yan, and then apply all object, and then dito ang ilalagay nating bucket name dito is yung kung saan natin gustong ma-replicate yung file na ating gustong ma-replicate. Kunwari, so ang ilalagay natin ditong bucket name is the wait, S3. Ang gusto nating yung version 2 natin, which is here. Lang natin yan, lagay natin dito. Yan. And then create new role lang natin. No? Ano ba itong ginagawa natin? May replication version 1. Ba't hindi niya ma-detect? That's your management. Create replication rule. My replicate rule. Apply all object. Yan. And then create new role. Then save. So ang ginagawa ng replicate, no, kung ano po yung file na nasa replication version 1 natin, pag sinet natin doon sa management, doon sa replicate, yung laman ni replicate version 1 is mapupunta rin kay replicate number version 2. So, kung ano yung ina-upload natin doon sa replicate version 1, na-upload din doon sa replicate version 2 natin kasi nakaset yon. So, ipapakita natin kung paano siya gumagana. So, dito makikita natin, meron na tayong replication rule, no? So, let's upload an example. So, yung makikita natin, no, walang laman itong replication version 2 natin. And then, kung mag-upload tayo dito kay replication 1, version 1 ng any file. So, kunwari, i-upload natin itong UAR
Di ba dalawa yung cord na gamit mo?
or binalonan, no?
Saan yung isa kagabi?
Kung i-upload natin to, ma-upload din siya sa version 1 kasi nare-replicate siya. So, yan. Tignan natin, no?
Dinala niyo isang cord.
So, let's go to replication 2, version 2, and then try refresh lang, and then wait natin hanggang ma-replicate yung in-upload natin doon sa version 1.
Awan! Ay, ko, awan ko na ko.
Saan naman ang tinapay ko?
So, yan. So, nakikita natin nag-replicate na yung in-upload nating binalonan na JPEG doon sa replication number 1 natin kanina. Version 1 natin kanina. So, which is, ito yon. Yan. So, yun yung trabaho ng replication. So, let's proceed to S3 storage class. So, last na yan. So, gagawa tayo ng new bucket dito. And then, papangalanan natin my storage bucket.
Oh.
Then, enable lang natin yan. And then, let's create. Ayaw. My storage. My storage lang. My storage bucket version 1. Maselan eh.
Ang lilit eh.
Para kumulto dito, hayop. And then dito, open natin yung my storage bucket. And then try natin dito mag-upload. Yan. Add file.
Blue naman, sabi niya violet.
And then, try natin i-upload tong UAP again. And then, pag na-upload na, and then click natin yan, and then go to permission. Ay, properties, rather. So, sa loob ng properties, no, i-select natin ang intelligent theory. So, yan, choose natin intelligence theory, and then, wala na tayong ibang gagalawin dito, no? I-off and balik natin sana, and then upload. And then after ma-upload, go to doon, punta tayo doon sa buckets na storage na yan, and then go to permission. No, sa ano pala, properties or management, I think. Dito sa properties, and then dito sa intelligence searching archive configuration, mag-create tayo dyan. And then, maglag lang tayo ng configuration dito. My configuration. And then, add prefix lang natin yan. Is skill verb, and enable natin Check natin to. Lagyan natin 90. And then dito, check natin yan. And then, lagyan natin 180. And then, that's it. Create. And that's my storage class for this. Lagyan natin dito, 1980. And that's it.